First, we're going to start with the wet end disassembly. Remove your casing clamp. Your casing. Set aside. Next, you've got your impeller nut. Remove with an impact or ratchet. Now we're going to remove the impeller and back plate off the shaft of the motor. Set down. Remove any shims that are behind the pump. Set aside. Now to remove the seal, pull your slinger off. Grab your 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Remove 2 set screws. Set your spring seat aside. Tabbed washer. Use your back plate to remove your seal. Inspect for cracks or damage. Set aside. Your seal seat has 2 lives. If this side is worn out, you can always use this side or remove the 4 bolts. Remove your stationary seal. Note the L gasket. Your seal is 2-sided. If one side's wore, flip it around, use the other. That concludes the disassembly of the Type 1 seal on the 200 series Waukesha pump. Now we'll get into the reassembly. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.